But of all the superb features that rivers contribute to the landscape, maybe none can match the beauty of these.
The Tees has a flow rate of 20 cubic meters a second. It's only at a place like this that you get a real idea of how much water that actually is. The High Force Waterfall.
The key to the formation of a waterfall, and this goes for 90% of waterfalls worldwide, is rocks. And here, at High Force on the Tees, the river runs across a rock called whinstone.
The whinstone isn't just the key to the waterfall. It has some unexpected links with other geographical features in northern England. One of them is well worth a quick detour. The whinstone is an igneous rock that squeezed its way upwards towards the Earth's surface 300 million years ago, in a very thin layer, rather like the filling in a sandwich. Once it had cooled, like most volcanic rocks, it was extremely hard. Much harder than all the other rocks in the area. So, following millions of years of erosion, the whinstone stands above the average level of the North England countryside. This turned out to be a very useful geographical quality to a famous historical figure. His name was Hadrian, and he was a Roman emperor. On a trip to the north of England in 122 AD, he noticed that the whinstone stuck up above the landscape, and he ordered a wall, Hadrian's Wall, to be built on it. It became the heavily guarded frontier of the Roman Empire, with a superb high-level view of any possible invading army out across the landscape to the north. Right, back to the whinstone at High Force.
So we've got whinstone, but very important, there's a second rock at High Force. And it's the difference in hardness that's crucial in understanding how the waterfall came about.
In this cross-section, the whinstone is the darker layer of rock on top. It's so hard that the river can't wear it away. The lighter layer of rock underneath is the softer one that I've just smashed with the hammer. It gets slowly worn away by the water swirling at the base of the falls. It's pretty obvious what's going to happen. And this simple process will of course happen again and again. The end result is that the waterfall actually moves upstream from the spot where it started. As it does so, another landform is created. A gash in the landscape with very steep sides and a river at the bottom. A gorge. And a gorge is exactly what lies immediately downstream from the waterfall at High Force.